ginger, lemon, and cinnamon tea for fast weight loss. Our eating habits are plunging us into despair. But all is not lost, yet. We can still tighten our belts and look for solutions. Drink 1 cup of this tea in the morning to boost the fat burning effect. You can drink another cup of this infusion later in the day or after meals. This method is honestly the most simple, healthy and effective way to give your body a break from all the processed foods and kickstart your weight loss and health. Component: 1 piece of fresh ginger root, 1 cinnamon stick, half lemon, 1 cup water. Preparation: put water in a pot or saucepan and put it on the fire. Add grated ginger in advance. Add cinnamon stick. Allow 10 minutes for these ingredients to cook over low heat. Squeeze lemon juice into a separate cup. Remove the pot from the flame and add lemon juice to the mixture. Finally, take out the grated ginger and cinnamon from the water and serve in a cup. Remember that the best results and the most successful and healthy weight loss uses of this slimming tea are achieved by combining a low-calorie diet and a regular exercise routine. The Smoothie Diet is a revolutionary new life transformation system that not only guarantees to help you lose weight and feel better than you have in years, it also promises to eliminate more body fat, faster than anything you've tried before. Do you want to lose that unhealthy and stubborn fat in a speedy and effective way? Join the 21 Days Smoothie Diet Challenge to lose weight in a healthier way and become the best version of yourself. Click the link in my description to get everything you need to know to succeed in the program. People who complete the 21-Day Smoothie Diet Challenge lose up to 20 pounds and form long-term healthy eating habits that help them keep the weight off for good. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.